Hi, I'm Ivy. I am so excited because I have just minted my first NFT non-fungible tokens on the Simple blockchain. Now, I'm not the first person who minted an NFT on Simple blockchain. Somebody did it before me, but I'm the second person. Why I get onto this video and recording this because I want to make a movement. I want to auction off this NFT, which is going to represent a drawing I had about 7 years ago about the tomato I planted. Why I want to tie it with the tomato I planted is because um, first I love it, and one day when I look at the tomato and appreciating how beautiful it is, then I feel that it looks like a ballerina on her tutu dancing. So I draw it, and here is my drawing. All right, this is the one. I can draw a little, but I'm not the best illustrator, you can tell. But why I want to do this is because, like I mentioned earlier on, I want to make a movement. I want it to be the first auctions done on simple blockchain handled by one person, not going through any auction platform. And just want to show that how this use case can work by just using the simple wallet, or if you wanted, you can use a CLI. You even use the code to do this. But as any layperson, you can just use a simple wallet to do that. So I create this token with only one supply, and I'll tie it to this drawing of mine. If you auctions and bought this NFT, um, the ownership of this drawing will goes to you. You can do anything with it. I am going to, if you want to, I'm going to mail this physical copy over to you. Um, you know, I'm not any famous artist, or neither do my drawing is very fascinating. But I want to do this because to make a real case happens on the simple blockchain, and I might not even make money out of it. I could even make a loss by mailing it out or creating the token, but I'm not testing it. I'm not experimenting it on the test net, but I experimented on the mainnet because I believe in the NFT, and I would like to tell you that I seriously believe in it by experimenting using my own real XYM. Um, I hoped that like every one of you would be interested and would be helping me to make this a reality. How you can bid for it is just by sending a transactions without sending me any XYM, just in the message, put BID, bid, and how many XYM you would like to bid for. Do not encrypt the message because I would like to let the whole world know that I've been making a history here and how much you bid for it. But if you do wish to not to let people know how much you bid for it, you can encrypt it, but I strongly suggest that like you don't. And after the bid concluded, when it's going to be concluded, it's going to be concluded. I on the block 78888. It means that like the 78,888th block, that will be the last block you can send in your bid. Now, um, doesn't mean that the last bid come in will win the bid, because I do not have the mechanism to track that, like, you must bid higher than the previous bidder, and if the bidder sending an encrypted message, you wouldn't know that like how much the bidder bid. So this is what happened. This is why that like auctions platforms do good, but I'm trying to um, make an alternative and show how easy it is for anybody to use it on the simple blockchain with the simple wallet. So by the block 78,888 concluded, I will look at all the transactions sent to my address, which I will be putting it down in the comment area. and look and search for the highest bidder. And then I will post the bid on my account, my Twitter account. And if nobody object to it, because I am screening it through with my eyes, I might make a mistake. And if nobody object to that highest bidder, then the transactions will happen in the blockchain using aggregate transactions, where when the XYM sent to me, I'll send the tokens over. And if the bidder wish to let me know the address to send the actual physical copy to, I will do so as well. I hope you're not living too far away from me either, so it can get to you as soon as possible, and we can make this case real. And why I choose to do this, and how mechanism behind it, and why I believe so much in NFT, all this I will explain it in another videos, and why I want to give conclude these transactions or the auctions actually on the 78888 block, is which is about 2 weeks from now, is because a lot of people and a lot of members are still quite new to how to use the simple wallet and how this works. So what the rest of the video that I'm going to make is going to explain this. So this period of times actually allows me to make more video to explain that, so as many people can participate as possible. Now again, my objective for this movement is to show that how easy it can be done, and to talk about the real power and the real value behind an NFT, and hope everybody will be with me and support me by at least bidding to make this happen. That's all. Thank you. I'm excited. Are you?